assembly and execution of a program. The assembly program is nothing but it converts the human readable code into a machine language. The machine language is nothing but the binary form. And next one is the execution of a program. This will be used to run the machine code on the CPU. While we are performing this assembly and execution of a program, it will be done through the stages. The stages consist of the 4 main steps. In that, the first one is writing the source program. The first and foremost thing is we have to write a program. The writing program should be in the assembly language. It is written here. This is the assembly language. Move immediately, moving file to the register A. Then next we are going to perform the add. We are going to add P with the A value is 5. After adding, the final result will be moved to the A. Then we will halt the program. So the first stage is to writing the source program. The next one is assembler. For the assembler, it will have the 2 programs. The input will be the source program, then the output will be the object program. The source program it will be in the form of .asm assembly language, then the output will be converted into a .obj files. While we are performing this conversion, it will perform the 4 tasks. First one is opcode translation. What are the assembly code which is given? We have to identify the opcode. Then after that, we have to write the particular statement or assembly language. We are having the branching statements or jumping or looping statements. Then we have to bind the address. For that purpose, the address binding task is used. The next one is directive handling. The directive handling already we have discussed that. We basically assembler directives are categorized into segment, then memory allocations, constants, then after that control statements. Then that thing it will be categorized through this directive handling. The next one is the error checking. The error checking is used to check for the syntax errors. Then after that, the next one is the linking. The linking it is a process of combining the OBJ file with the library files in order to generate the exe file, executable file. The executable file, if we are using in a Windows, then it will be a .exe. If we are going to run in a Linux, then the exe file will be a ELF file. Then after converting into a .exe file to linking operation, the next stage is the loading stage. The loading stage here we are using the loader. Loader, it will get the executable file from the linker output. Then it will be loaded into RAM. Then after loading into RAM, the CPU will start the execution. While executing the instruction, first we have to fetch the instruction from the memory. After fetching the memory, it will be given to the decode stage. During the decode phase, we will have to identify which one is the opcode and which one is the operand. So based on the opcode and operand, it will perform the operation in the execute stage. After performing the operation, it will store the value in the corresponding destination register and it will halt the program. Complete setup. Complete setup.
Symbolic names and rules.
Symbolic names and rules is called as the assembly language. Under the 4 topics we have discussed. 4 or 3? 3 topics. First one is assembler directives. Then next one is number notations. And third one is the assembly and execution of program. Okay, if they are asked the assembly language question, you have to explain all those things. Okay, thank you.